Hey guys, welcome to our channel Food Technology VIT Ballarpur. Myself Saili Makne, and this video is guided by Professor Vatkar sir. So as we all know, we are all fighting with the coronavirus. So in this lockdown period, I want to share you a small recipe which is Frankie, which is quite nutritious, and I hope guys you all will enjoy it and definitely try it at your home. So let's start the recipe. So guys, you can see here ingredients. This is sliced cabbage, this is mashed potato, this is little amount of sauce for taste, and this is turmeric, this is red chili, this is salt, this is garlic paste, and this is onion. So let's start. So guys, firstly take a frying pan and it pour some amount of oil. Heats up, put some mustard seeds in it, then oil. So till the onion and garlic paste become brown, stir it at low flame. See here, all this garlic and onion has turned red, so put the mashed potatoes paste in it. So salt, red chili and turmeric as per your taste, and mix it well till all the mixture get mixed neatly at low flame. As we can see, all the mixture has mixed up well, so we will remove it in a bowl and keep it for some cooling for some time. We can see guys, I have kept the oil potato in a bowl. Then later for it we can use the flour which we use to make the chapati. I have already made a small dough as per my need. So when the dough is kept for some time to make it clumsy, so later we have to make a chapati roll without placing the oil in it. So let's do it guys. So as you can see here, I have prepared a small chapati. So as we have not applied the oil on it, so next step we have to fry it with some amount of ghee or butter which is available in your home. So let's do it. One time we have to put a frying pan at low flame and put some amount of butter. Place as the butter is heated, place the chapati on it at low flame. Take care that the chapati would not burn or have red spots. You can see here are no red spots on it. Just heat it for some time and keep moving the chapati because it should not stick on the frying pan. As our chapati is heating, so put this potato mixture on the surface of chapati. Spread the cabbage as the toppings. I would like to tell you that cabbage is highly nutritional. It contains vitamin C. As you can see here, the toppings of cabbage. You can add much more vegetables which are provided in home. Capsicum. So guys, I am adding here a tomato ketchup as our toppings on our salad. Not more, as per your taste we will add here. So because of this, our Frankie will become so tasty and it will get some of little bit of tangy taste which small children will love it. You can also add Szechuan chutney or anything else for it. And for extra we will add here. So guys, for again touch up we will add here coriander leaves, which will give it some freshness and a great aroma and also the taste. So guys, later on we have to roll this chapati little bit. So here we go guys, our Frankie is ready, tasty. You can try it definitely at home. It is quite easy as you can look my recipe. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. Thanks.